Welcome to English Academy. Today I want to talk about a very important topic. Something that affects millions of people around the world. Why do so many people fail to learn English? They spend years trying to study. They watch videos every day. They buy grammar books and download language apps, but still they struggle to speak even simple English. They feel stuck, they feel frustrated, they feel like maybe they are not smart enough. But the truth is different. It's not about intelligence, it's not about memory, it's about the method, the habits, the mindset. In this video I am going to explain all the major reasons why people fail to learn English. And I will also tell you what to do instead. So if you have tried and failed before, if you still find it difficult to speak fluently, stay with me till the end. Let's begin with the first reason. Most people start their English journey with grammar. They think they need to learn all the rules before they can speak. They believe that grammar is the key to fluency. So they spend months or even years reading grammar books. They memorize tenses, they study sentence structure, they try to understand every little rule. But when they try to speak, they freeze, their mind goes blank. They remember the rules but cannot form a sentence. That's because English is a language, not a subject. You don't learn a language by studying it. You learn a language by using it. Think about how children learn to speak. They don't read grammar books. They listen, they copy, they repeat. They speak without fear. And slowly they become fluent. Grammar is helpful later, but it should not be your first step. Your first step should be listening and speaking. Second reason. Now the second reason people fail is fear. Fear of making mistakes. Freeze there. Fear of looking foolish, fear of being judged by others. They don't want to speak unless their sentence is perfect. So they say nothing at all. And they keep waiting for the right moment. But that perfect moment never comes. If you never make mistakes, you never learn. Mistakes are not bad, they are signs that you are learning. Every successful English speaker made mistakes in the beginning. You just didn't see that part of their journey. You need to understand one thing. Nobody cares if your English is perfect or not. People admire you when you try, they appreciate your courage. So speak with confidence, even if it is broken English. It will improve with time. Third reason. Now let's talk about the third reason people fail to learn English. It's passive learning. What does that mean? It means watching English movies, scrolling through English social media, reading English books, listening to English music. It sounds like learning, but it's not enough, because you are not practicing. You are only consuming. Learning becomes real when you use the language, when you speak, when you write, when you think in English. If you only watch and listen, you become good at understanding, but not good at speaking, and that's where most people get stuck. So what's the solution? You need to balance passive learning with active learning. After you watch an English video, pause and speak about it in your own words. After you read a paragraph, try to summarize it in English, record yourself speaking and listen to your own voice. Fourth reason. That brings me to the fourth reason people fail. They do not practice speaking, they know the words. They know the rules, but they never speak. Speaking is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. But if you don't use it, it becomes weak. You cannot learn to swim by reading books. You have to get into the water. The same goes for English. You must speak to learn how to speak. Even if you are alone, talk to yourself, describe your room in English, talk about your day in English. Explain your plans in English. This might feel strange at first, but it works. Use your phone to record yourself. Listen and improve. You don't need a partner in the beginning, just your voice is enough. Fifth reason. Let's go to reason number 5. Unrealistic expectations. Many learners want fast results. They want to become fluent in 30 days. Or speak like a native in 2 months. That's not how it works. Learning a language is a long journey. It takes time, effort, and patience. In the first few months, you may not see much improvement, but that does not mean you are not learning. Sometimes the progress is invisible. But your brain is absorbing the language. The key is to stay consistent, practice a little every day. Even 20 minutes a day can create big results over time. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins. If you learned 5 new useful sentences today, that's progress. If you speak 2 minutes in English today, that's progress. 6th reason. Now the last reason is a hidden one. Lack of purpose. People say they want to learn English, but they don't have a strong reason why. They start learning but they don't stay motivated, because they are not clear about their goal. Ask yourself this. Why do you want to learn English? Is it to get a job? Is it to study abroad? Is it to move to another country? Is it to connect with people from around the world? Is it to grow on YouTube or TikTok? Whatever your reason is, make it clear. Write it down. Look at it every day. That purpose will give you the energy to keep going. Without a purpose, learning feels like a burden. With a purpose, it becomes a mission. Now let me quickly review everything we discussed. Most people fail to learn English because they focus too much on grammar in the beginning. They are afraid to make mistakes. They do too much passive learning and not enough practice. They don't speak enough. They expect fast results and they don't have a clear reason for learning. But now you know the truth. You can avoid these mistakes. You can change your method. You can start small. Start speaking. Start listening. Start thinking in English. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with English Academy. Every week we bring you real strategies to help you speak better English. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you understand why most people fail to learn English, then support this channel by subscribing right now. Click the like button and share this video with someone who needs it. Your support helps us reach more learners and create better content for you. This is English Academy, and I'll see you in the next video.